Want to open Chase Bank account online? Then you're on the right video. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, you need to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. In the address bar, you need to search for Chase Bank Sign Up. Now head over to the very first site, Enroll. Once you're in this page, click on Enroll Now or click on Sign In. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. Now in order for you to sign up, click on Not Enrolled, Sign Up Now. Once again, wait for a while. Now in this page, you will be able to create Chase Bank account. You will need to complete 3 different steps. One is enter your social security number or tax ID number. After that, any account or application number. And they will ask you for the access to the phone number or email address. So first of all, choose which account you want to access, personal, business, or commercial. Once selected, enter your account, card, or application number, and then enter the social security number. Once you have entered, create a username for your account according to the terms and conditions. Once done, tap on Next. After that, you have to follow the on-screen process, and once done, your account will be created successfully. So this is simply how you can create Chase Bank account online. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.